Good morning, students. Welcome to the e-learning session of Social Studies. Lesson 4, the Western Desert. Desert, as you all know, is a place full of sand. So let's start. First of all, we will do the exercise given on page number 32. We have to tick what you find in a desert. So students, we find camel and cactus in the desert area. So now the topics that we are going to cover in this lesson are the land, climate, natural vegetation, water supply, animals, occupations, food, lifestyle, festivals and major cities of Rajasthan. So we'll start the lesson. The land to the west of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan is rocky and sandy. This is the Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the borders of Haryana. The land. The Thar Desert is covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. At some places, there are small hills of sand called sand dunes. Sometimes, strong winds which blow here carry a large amount of sand with them. They can shift the sand dunes. There are very few streams in the Thar Desert. They mostly remain dry. Luni is the most important river. At some places, oases are found. The land around an oasis is fertile. People grow crops here. Thus, most villages are situated around an oasis. Climate. The Thar Desert remains hot and dry throughout the year. There is very little or no rainfall. In summer, days are very hot and nights are cool. In winter, days are warm and nights are very cold. Natural vegetation. A hot and dry climate means that mostly scattered bushes and thorny shrubs grow here. The khejri, kikar and babool grow in the eastern part of the desert. Animals such as camels, blackbucks, chinkaras and great Indian bustards are found in this region. The camel is the most useful animal. Can you tell why? They can carry heavy loads and travel for a long period of time without food and water. Now the next topic is water supply. There is always very little water. Village women walk long distances to fetch water. The state government is trying to provide water for domestic use and irrigation. Water from river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Indira Gandhi Canal. Farmers can thus grow wheat, mustard and cotton. Next topic is occupation. People mostly rear sheep, goat, camel and cattle. Some of them are farmers. They grow bajra, jowar, maize, sesame and groundnut. Some people also travel from one place to another in search of food for themselves and their animals. Such people are called banjaras. Life in the Thar Desert is thus very hard. Houses. Most houses have a flat roof and a few small windows. The walls are thick to keep the heat out so that the houses remain cool. Some houses have underground tanks to store rainwater. Such tanks are called tankas. Lifestyle. Women in villages wear ghagra choli and orni. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. People love to eat dal bati churma. They celebrate Gangor and Teej. Ghumar and Kalbelia are popular folk dances. Major cities. Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner are some big cities. The Jaisalmer Fort, also known as the Golden Fort, is the major tourist attraction. Jaipur is called the Pink City. It is famous for blue pottery. A large number of tourists from all over the world visit Rajasthan every year. So student, this was the lesson. I hope it is very clear to you. You have to learn the question answers and book work which has been provided to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.